Hi guys, how are you all? Last time I spoke to you about the travel that I was planning, so here I am completing almost 1.5 months. In the last 1.5 months, I've done around close to 7,000 kilometers in my car. I've traveled across Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, uh, Telangana a bit. So after 7,000 kilometers, the best thing that I felt was the relaxation that I got of driving through these places. So I would like to share a small video about what are the good points of driving on an Indian highway, the bad points, a few examples, and the ugly part of it. But yes, I am not covering any accidents or stuff like that. It's all about drive. So most of the footage is from my dash cam on my car, and that's what you will see here. So it's more of a wide angle shots that are taken through my camera. So dash cam. So enjoy. They're the good parts. I will explain to you how and what the roads are all about and how I experienced it. What was the fun part of it? What was the bad part of it? Thank you. Enjoy the video. If you like, give me a like, share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's about sales and travels, so it's sales and travels. Thank you. So, guys, let's start with the best part of driving the good, beautiful highways of India. This is a road between Belgaum to Kolhapur. It's a national highway. One of the best surfaces to drive on, very smooth, hardly any, there's literally no potholes on these roads, lined with trees, beautiful sky. It's monsoon, so it was beautiful. It has lakes on one side, it has hills on the other side, small hills, of course, not the Himalayan kind of hills. So this is the charm of driving on Indian highways. It's kind of therapeutic to drive on these roads. All your sorrows or tensions just vanish away driving on these roads. A bit of good, company and good music is all you need on this road to drive it on the. If you have a good car, nothing like it. Now, I'd like to give you a small example of how, mostly we have a misconception that truckers are the worst drivers on Indian highways. Here is a small example of a trucker who, gave way, was driving on the right lane, gave signal to move away. So, a small example here. Now, coming to this road, this is a road between Hyderabad to Bangalore, somewhere near Penakonda, after the Kia factory. It was late evening drive, so you can see one of the most scenic views that you can admire here. Though, it's not the landscape in southern India is not as beautiful as some of in the North India, but again, this is something that it's breathtaking to watch through your naked eyes, actually. So that's the fun part of driving through these roads. I'd like to take advantage because I'm a sales guy, so it allows me to travel a lot. So this is what is the best part of my job. I love to travel, and what better way to drive around. It's very therapeutic for me to enjoy these drives. Now coming to the bad part of the whole drive. This is somewhere near Vasai Creek in Mumbai. After you take the left from the Vasai Creek, getting in, going towards Thana. This is a road which is a 4-lane road, but two lanes are already occupied on the right side. Now, to avoid the traffic jams or the slow traffic, people come on to the wrong side of the highway here, and this is really, really dangerous. People here have scant regard to lives of their own lives as well as lives of others who are coming on the right side. For no mistake of the good drivers, they need to suffer some of these idiotic drivers that you have here. It's very, very bad. I don't know how do authorities need to take note of this. It's so dangerous to drive. Look at this guy. He literally came out of nowhere, and I had to jam my brakes to just to avoid him. It was so dangerous and so frightening to see these guys. Now, this is something that I've never experienced before. This is on Bangalore Chennai Highway. The traffic police or whoever the authorities were decided to put stickering and reflective stickers and LED blinker lights on the main highway. And in the night, it's very, very dangerous to see this. It's really frightening. Now to the worst part of driving in India is the monsoons. If you can, as you can see here, one part of the road is totally inundated, and the whole traffic suffers because of this. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. These are the small pleasures and the troubles that you go through driving on Indian highways. Enjoy the video, and as I requested you earlier, subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing more parts of the videos that I want to share. So thank you for watching. Thanks. Give me a like, subscribe, again a request. Thank you all. Enjoy. Happy driving. Get out on the roads. Enjoy the country. Bye bye.